I'm going to show you how to get a professional email for your moving labor company in a matter of 10 minutes. It's very simple. And this is the first video in our 100 to 100K moving company startup challenge. So guys, this is going to be a fun video. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, movers and shakers. So here we are. We're going to be getting a email address, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very, very simple. You just go to workspace.google.com, which you can see right here. In there, you just go right there, click enter, and you're going to come to this page right here. It's very, very easy. All you have to do is get started. You got to give yourself a business name. In this case, I am doing it for the moving labor business. So Mr. Big Stuff is my company name. So Mr. Big Stuff, we'll put labor as well. Good. Number of employees, just me, right? It is in the United States. You hit next, right? Now you got to give your name. First name, J. Burnham. Good. And then your current address. I'm going to use my 7-Figure Moving Academy email address. Hit next. Good. So here you are on this page. How do you want to set up Google Workspace? With with gmail.com address or with a yourcompany.com address? We want to do it. We don't want to do a Gmail because we want to be a little bit more professional. We're going to be using this email to drive leads. We're going to be using this email to sign up for other professional websites and stuff. And we're going to want an email address that looks professional. So if you don't have any questions, this is what your thing. Use a custom email address extended with engaging video calls, blah, blah, blah. Right? So this is what we're going to do. We're going to select this, right? Does your business have a domain? No, it does not. But right now I'm going to be setting up we could have one. Yes, I have one I can use, which I don't. But no, I need one. Is what we're going to do. So I'm going to say, yes, I have one that I can use. What is your Gmail thing? It is justthebigstuff.com. So I'm going to use that. And that actually, if you go to that URL, it actually goes to my Facebook page. So I bought this on GoDaddy long ago, so it's already prepaid, and I have it forwarded from my GoDaddy account to my Facebook page. Eventually, just the big stuff will actually be that'll be like a subpage or something on my website. But I'll be creating a complete website here, hopefully very soon in the series. But right now, I'm just going to show you how to use Google Workspace to get an email address. I don't want to buy a new domain, so I'm going to go hit next. So we're going to say username. We're going to do this. We're going to say book, because I want them to, this is the email address I want them to book or schedule or call. So, and then we'll set up a password for this. Good. Click on Not a Robot. Then you come down, hit agree and continue. So good. Now we can sign in. No, we want to go into the one we just made, right? Book at justthebigstuff.com. Good. So we're going to do that. We're going to sign in. Good. Enter your password, which we created. Now you can't use it, so I'm not worried about you getting my verification code. Blah, blah, blah. So I don't care because I can go and change that anytime I want. So, all right. So business plan is 2160. Now they're going 20. I mean, holy cow, that's far more expensive than I want. But it is something I need. Account Mr. Big Stuff Labor, my name. We're going to put the address, which I don't care if you guys know my address. So Grand Ledge, Michigan. Good. Primary account. All right. All right. So I'm going to do this. Obviously, so you guys can't see my stuff. This will be blurred out, my credit card information. So I confirm. It pops up. Yay! So I'm going to hit agree and continue and set up billing. Now I can always, if I want to go, I can go and change that out and forward that email address and stuff. So welcome to the console. So boom, I am now in. We're glad you're here. You'll need to complete a couple steps before you can use Gmail, Drive, Meet, and more with things. Okay, fair enough. Next. So protect don't just keep others from using this domain with Google Workspace. Next. Create other account. So that I might actually do that. I might create like a quote or estimate or something like that, or try or something like that. I don't know. We'll see about another account. So I don't want to do sales because I don't want people to get weirded out. So that's why I put book. And activate the Gmail, redirect your email from a current provider to Google. All right. Okay, we'll guide you step by thing. So finish. Awesome. I don't want to protect. Do I want to protect? Make sure no one else used to sign up for Google Work. How this works. Okay. So I got to sign into GoDaddy. Okay. I thought this was, sorry, my bad. So we got to connect my GoDaddy domain with my Gmail. So that's what's going on here. I was thinking on protecting it. Okay, I see what. Excellent. So we have now verified and protected the bigstuff.com. It says create new users. Add your team's email accounts. Add up to 10 years during your thing. We'll skip for now. Yay, we're clapping. You're on your way. So invite team members. We're going to say done on that. I'm just going to say done on all that. Way to go, Jay. You're all set. Excellent. Okay, so what do we want to do here? I want to go to my account. See, so now I got all that. Here's my admin console. So if I want to go to admin console, I could just do that. I got to sign back in. Nope, we want to use that one. Just put in. Good. There's our admin console. So you could do all your good stuff. You could add your logo and all that good stuff. So you could do all that from your admin console here. You got your tasks. So this is very thing. You can really do a lot from this. So here's your billing, right? Devices, apps, so on and so forth. That's your account and domains. So if you ever wanted to go and create a domain, you can. So you can manage everything right from your admin console. So good. So we're gonna go to mail. And our mail should be set up. There you go. See, boom. We got workspace. And now what happens is what I'm going to do from here, I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to show you something. The next video I'm going to show you guys is from my Drive. So I'm going to go to Drive, and I have this book, which you guys can get on my website, sevenfiguremovingacademy.com/shop. You can get this book, and it contains every single resource that you could ever imagine for moving businesses. I mean, it contains SEO companies, marketing companies, lead provider companies. But the thing that I'm going to concentrate on is moving a load of boards. So move things like this. So moving labor job providers. I'm going to set up an account with every single one of these people, and I'm going to sign up for them using my new Gmail account. So the next video is going to be, I'm going to show you I'm going to set up all of these different things. And I'm going to show you one by one so that you can do it. I'll show like one or two how to do it, because once you set up one or two, it really becomes pretty easy. It's actually not very difficult at all. But the first thing you needed to do is get an email address, and you wanted an email address that was professional. So that's what we're going to do on the next video.